Hello. Today I wanted to go over how to use Microsoft Security Essentials. Um, Basically, it is like Malware Bytes, only for Microsoft. To get it, you just go to Microsoft's website, windows.microsoft.com/en-us/product/security-essentials. Now, that's a lot of crap. Basically, if you go to Google and type in Microsoft Security Essentials, it'll be the first one on the list. It's less typing. When you get there, it'll ask you for what version of Windows you're using. They have other versions here for different languages. I'm just going to select mine, hit download. It'll come up and ask me to download. I already have it, so I'm not going to do this, but you just save it and install it like you would any other program. From here, after you got it installed, it'll update and run the first time. Since we don't, I'm just going to click on Security Essentials here. Again, after you install it, it'll come up and run the update automatically and run the first quick scan. And I just updated a little bit ago, so it's not going to come up with anything, but you'll see something like this. And then it'll install the update and take you to a quick scan that will look like this. Now, the last time I ran this, it took about 5 minutes. It's a lot slower than the Malware Bytes. However, now it's going a lot faster. But it did seem to work just fine. No problems, no nothing, just ran right through. That was fast. It was a lot faster than the first time. So the first quick scan must do more than these ones. I don't know what's different. You'd have to ask Microsoft. But in the settings, there is a scheduled scan. I have mine set to Sunday at 5 because who in the right mind's up at Sunday at 5, really? So I have it set for that. By default, I believe it's Sunday at 2 a.m. and it's pretty often I'm up at 2 a.m. So I changed it to 5. It's got real-time protection built in, unlike other programs like Malware Bytes, where you would have to pay for the extra protection. And you can go through and exclude certain files. For example, if you know something's clean, but it keeps picking up as a false positive, you can add it into here. And here's where you would see your infected items, if you have any. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you find something, you click on it, you remove it. Or if you just want to remove it all. Or again, if you found a false positive and you want to restore it, you just select it and hit restore. It's that simple. If you do restore something, you probably do want to go into here, go to excluded files, and add it, browse to it. Pretty simple. And let's go ahead and change that because I don't want to send any information back to Microsoft because I don't like talking to them. But the nice thing about this software, I think I said it before, I'm going to say it again, if something breaks with it, if it screws up your system, call Microsoft, and that's assuming you have a retail version of Windows. You call them and say, hey, you broke it, fix it. If you have an OEM version of Windows, like say you bought a system from Dell, that would be an OEM version. You would need to call Dell, and then maybe they'll refer you to Microsoft. That's pretty much it. It's simple. Like most Microsoft stuff, they try to make it foolproof. So you just open it, scan it, done. And once you have it installed, you really don't even need to run it. It runs itself once a week, and it has real-time protection. So once you install it, let it scan, and then don't worry about it anymore. Just don't uninstall it. It's that simple, really. It's actually a lot more simple than Malware Bytes. More simple? I don't know if that works. But anyway, it's easy to use. Use what you like. Use them both. I believe that's it. So if you have any comments, throw them down below. Any questions, throw them down below. Hit a like if you want. Hit a dislike if you want. I don't care, as long as I know you're here. That's it. Have a good one.